Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito na naman tayo upang mag-aral ng math. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pag-add at pag-subtract ng fraction. Pwede tayo mag-add o mag-subtract ng similar fractions o yung mga fractions na may parehong denominators, at pwede rin tayo mag-add or subtract ng dissimilar fractions o yung mga fractions na may magkakaibang denominators. Unahin muna natin pag-aralan kung paano mag-add o mag-subtract ng similar fractions. Kapag nag-a-add o nagsusubtract tayo ng similar fractions, ina-add o sinusubtract natin ang numerators. Tapos, kinokopya natin yung common denominator. Let's have some examples. Say we have 1/3 plus 1/3. Pareha sila ng denominator, so ang gagawin natin ay i-add lang natin yung numerator, 1 plus 1 equals 2, at kokopyahin yung denominator which is 3. So, ang sagot natin ay 2/3. I-try pa natin tong isa. We have 12 over 17 minus 3 over 17. Again, pareha sila ng denominator, so ang gagawin lang natin ay isusubtract natin yung numerator. 12 minus 3 equals 9. And then copy yung denominator. So, ang sagot natin ay 9 over 17. So, let's try another one. 19 over 12 minus 11 over 12. So, again, subtract natin yung numerators. 19 minus 11 is 8. Kokopyahin natin yung denominator which is 12. So, mapapansin natin sa sagot nating 8 over 12, pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term. Kasi yung 8 at yung 12, pwede nating i-divide sa 4. So, ang final answer natin o yung lowest term ng 8 over 12 ay 2/3 or 2 over 3. Let's have this one last example for similar fraction. So, 35 over 25 minus 20 over 25. So, again, similar fraction sila. Kaya, isusubtract lang natin yung numerator. 35 minus 20 ay 15. And then, copy the denominator which is 25. So, yung 15 over 25, pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce sa lowest term kasi pwede natin i-divide ang numerator at denominator by 5. So, yung ating lowest term or yung final answer ay 3 over 5. Ngayon naman, mag-add tayo at mag-subtract ng dissimilar fractions. Kapag nag-a-add tayo or nagsusubtract ng dissimilar fractions, kailangan natin itong hanapan ng LCD o yung least common multiple of the denominator. Ginagamit natin yung LCD para maging similar yung fractions para mai-add at mai-subtract na natin sila. So, let's have some examples. We have 2/3 plus 1/4. So, dahil dissimilar fractions sila, una natin gagawin, isahanapan natin ng multiples ng 3. So, yung multiples ng 3 ay 3, 6, 9, 12. So, para lang tayo nag-skip counting. Ganun din, hahanapan natin ng multiples ang 4. So, we have 4, 8, at 12. So, dito makikita natin na ang common sa kanila ay 12. So, yun yung gagamitin natin bilang LCD o yung least common multiple of the denominator. So, pag nakuha na natin yung LCD, ang gagawin natin ay 12 divided by 3 equals 4 times 2 equals 8. Ganon din ang gagawin natin dun sa isa pa, 12 divided by 4 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. So, ngayon, i-add na natin 8 plus 3 equals 11 and then copy the denominator which is 12. Our final answer is 11 over 12. So, let's have another one. Dito, we have 3 over 5 minus 2 over 4. So, ganun ulit. Ang gagawin natin ay kukunin natin yung multiples ng 5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20. So, ganun din kukunin natin ang multiples ng 4. So, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So, So, dito makikita natin na ang 20 ang kanyang least common multiple ng denominators. So, yun ang gagamitin nating LCD. And then, we proceed by 20 divided by 5 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Kukapehin natin yung subtraction. And then, ganun ulit. 20 divided by 4 equals 5 times 2 equals 10. So, yun naman ang ipagsusubtract natin. 12 minus 10 is 2. And then, kapehin natin yung denominator na 20. So, ngayon, nakita natin na yung 2 over 20, pwede pa natin siyang i-reduce to lowest term. So, by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So, we have 1 over 10. And that is our final answer. We have this one last example. We have 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3. So, kukunin ulit natin yung multiple ng 5, which is 5, 10, 15. And then, kukunin din natin yung multiples ng 3, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So, in this case, ang LCD natin, or least common multiple of the denominators, ay 15. So, ang gagawin natin, 15 divided by 5 is 3 times 1 equals 3. And then, we copy addition. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 is 10. So, we add 10 plus 3 is 13 over 15. Since hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-reduce sa lowest term, ito na yung ating final answer. Lagi lang natin tatandaan that when we add or subtract fractions, huwag natin kakalimutan to na i-simplify o i-reduce sa lowest terms. Kailangan yung final answer natin ay nasa lowest terms possible. Salamat!